Bangladesh, the land of green pasture on the alluvial Gangetic Delta. From the days of long lost past, its agrarian bounty hasn't only shaped the life of the people, it dominated its rich and mostly folk culture of the land. The country's literacy heritage is feasts and festivities, songs and carols, rhythms and hymns, all leave a distinct trace of crops and grains. In brief, Bangladesh sings to the tune of its lush green pasture. The twist in its topography lends a unique characteristic in its tunes and tales. Strewn all across this alluvial plains so close to nature.
নদীর একুল ভাঙে হকুল গড়ে এই তো নদীর খেলা
Baul is beyond a cluster of folk songs. It's a completely different school of belief, a belief in the combination of body and soul towards the ultimate truth. It's better a fusion of ancient Shohogia and Sufi concepts rooted deep in the inherent secular humanism of Bangladesh. Jatra, or stage play, is all that a theatre offers to its viewers. Traditionally, Bangladesh folk theatre or Jatra represents a story where the morals are held by the conscience or vivek. Jatra flourished during the time of despotic rules in Bengal, when the conscience was to be tacitly created. It is still the prime reflection of rural Bangladesh. Dolls are not deities, still dolls are played with string atop. Doll dance represents ancient Bangladesh's rich cultural legacy, sung in the background in details of the story, mostly social twist. The doll dance in Bangladesh includes social aspects like marriage and separation, happiness and squabble, old love stories and war ballads in miniature. Matrimonial festivities in Bangladesh often include reception and goodbye rhythms dedicated to the bridegroom. Traditionally, matrimonial rhythms are sung in chorus and without musical instruments. These lanes in certain outback areas of rural Bangladesh help determine the cultural heights of the newly wed. The palace of Gajir Gan represents ancient Bangladesh's social hymns in adoration of the holy Gaji Pir, an icon of salvage from an impending epidemic, famine, or in positive expectation for more grains, cattle breeding, or the kind. Quicker tempo and physical acrobatics characterized the Gajir Pala, more of a community enhancement than a devotional deity. Secular in his spirit and devotion, in his spirituality characterize a Manik Pir's song in rural Bangladesh like other devotional deities. Manik Pir's devotion is in anticipation of relief from an impending disaster. musical offering that accompanied a procession of masked motif is now almost obsolete. But its replication in modern day street march on traditional occasions reminds a glorious time that beheld the galore of Shongjatra. Governed mostly by tribal culture, these unique offerings represent the Manipuri tradition of worshipping and celebration of the greatness of nature. The traditional Manipur Rash festivity is, in other words, a carnival of blazing colors.